I said, I'm a call reduce.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Era honorable Chimno. Pennyfuya can be. Medimanu no to wake up some Maya Konachaya host so much. Or you will be a no damakumaso. Usa Nimitie and a Montia what to near my immune bantama.
Yeah.
MPP Kumu. Or you will be a Sabe entity Mura.
Sure.
Sabe yaka krako mu so be a sanity. Mr. Busia say, Yenina yako, Yamifani crancy. What best summon my nipa by or beko. 6 p.m. I was the world is a stage.
Akoma FM 87.9
Play a part in my view. Not the many years.
Yeah.
A quality one within a short period.
Sure.
May his gentle soul rest in peace.
Amen.
Thank you. Meme, I also the topic in Yanka.
Yeah, sure. Alan's resignation from MPP. A call for third force.
That's all. Son of media.
Okay.
Papa, I'm son of Mekan Simbiano. May summarize this, my baby can say, dear chum.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
And force agree. Mammy in some Fubiano says, my nipa me toss me and son, some Fubi cocoa so. Into Mammy Yano. MPP. The be Americasia will meet to me, papa and an extra for him, Adokwa Boban to 2 foot for him.
Okay.
Yeah, Cassacham Yakutu and then Lum dear Mendiam were 2 4 at that time. On penny and mayor politics openly. On penny managing make a CSA into 2 and mono to 2 and army boy. Can't encourage what I infuse to say. Would 2 and more be politically no 2 from pa own to me.
Akoma FM
And never go high
Kumasi.
Pennyphone be the MPP. And a man MPP being a general swan by.
Yeah.
So corners will be yes will be quan. Besides said Dano. Then in Sadia Toja. MPP. I can put it here straight. And the first time I learned SC form to make a MPP the end hammy it will more. I've been very vocal on these things. Reason is say me drop party no na me do no makumem. Na me do party no makumem.
Now do party no
makumem. Na me do no makumem. Let me repeat. Na me do no makumem. Party asabi akumi ni akumesi. Na me do no makumem. But my force some obekaya sampina assembly my papa. Or yira because of this party for a long time. On the dim papechi me kasa bebre anu my emotion na me su. Ebesi sɛ ne yɛnhunu sɛ bi ne body kra ne yɛsie no.
Wow.
Yɛbusua yɛde ho abɔ afɔre ama MPP. Yɛbusua de ho abɔ afɔre me kasa me kan bebrebe a wo time no isa. MPP me fanto record nkɔfo ni maba abɔnten owura alankodwo kyerɛmaten. Wɔne nipa bi a yɛsensan krataa de party we fan founding members yɛka no baabi a na nkɔfo na fa nkɔfo. We bring child. Oba time ben ne sabi obedan na chi maye oba meti de make us me nsuntire medan mechi de ama me ba na wade mehu ye ka se we you obi doba ya na wo mamu dumi ensa de me maame e wo dumi ensa me de adusan ya oba time bia woni bia oba bia wo don akra be na na to maame na so a wo maame ansresre ahurihuri no on me channel. A bedroom baby no a baby with sharp teeth, said the Ora Rollins kind. Now, who knew me no for Naka come and make chow.
Okay.
Exactly. That's what is happening. Yeah, can say, many of them make a say, party no, métier, you were JFK. Oh, wound to me. The continuation of métier for many of them, with all due respect. Some courtiers say, we rock for time or lose you know, or call every single voter. Can you visit 2,000 and over voters within 4 years? Thank you. It's possible for some of you who have the resources. Ube 2 Land Cruiser, the SC within a short period. When your minister, when your maybe adjust that. Please, you're not dynamics need different.
Okay.
Tell me, maybe Kwadaso MP. No voters, almost only 53 or something. 53. You could count them on your fingertips.
I see.
Say you are talking about population getting to 1,000.
That is delegates.
Delegates.
Yeah.
Yani your parliamentary level. And to Obika say, Hilda, 53 na minu omudin sa was no. 1,000 ya please. Enya de cro.
Okay.
Human relation omo pese MPP de metie no. They want to paint Alan still continuing to paint him black.
Akoma
Your person can say human na yinya wakwa won so mu. Obi since when President Konfo person. Yes, munya adwuma ne kro no munya de eye da obi beto aso ana meboa. It doesn't matter. Set me Hilda, me be pakonya na gisa me ko obi afie. If there was the opportunity I would do that. I might have visited some people but not all. Me and kan said ye kan. Nye nan se kura mo kasa ye kasa let's see from ya. Ye mpese be shift attention no. Akọ ene de ala anya ni sa na ye de continue be say topic na any sign. Intina maybe south topic no. Owura Jonkuma. Adenti no de ne bato Alan Kwedu Chemati. Obi a won hwe nipa wo party no mu a wonu obi ani religion. Obi nyima no de ntia obewo ba. Wa wo ba wo do no na enam ne nkofo enwudu mi ensan. Now so betumi de ebidia di ago.
Josephine MP and now Deputy Finance Minister.
Yes.
What won the body at all?
Sana minim. Odo no de ne bato no na meboa. And ye ngododo to obi de ne bato a na munyedu.
Emudu pa.
Party mu. Owura sticker. Time open national executive position. Sticker na ka kire me. Sa Alan eni medi nkoma anka menka. Oba mi fie na me ne ye fine still me ne ye fine me ne 87.9 enie ma bia ala ye enti we aka na Akoma na Alan at a time
Deputy Trade Minister now.
Exactly. Alan man 50,000 Ghana cedis. Enfi asma me kan ye mfie du. More than that. 500 million.
I see.
Nanum. Alan you be onkasa enti ye ade ayo dynamics no. Enipa no onkasa
sticker nshia so
adan
obepre ne national okay wenya yeah
Alan ka so obe MP nti wo ne cha obi amo abeto Alan wo just like before ba ye no when tuntini den anko gigina MPP bi achi sami di sika mato abama me maye tunfo maton sabi mini me di abeto to me enti de me so omra parliament no ono na beba enti obi afanto record say enipa sign na President Kufo yi ni ya edidi wo mo weche obeka say we ni na naso anyina ni ebe bi enkrobom na da ho pre 87.9 me ne obi any argument on such issues o kan mema ade akọ na mo de meka say ene enokra no de ye ntimi fa wo few minutes yi encheche sa no kure no
yeah.
Owura Alan oba TV so a UTV a obi kan wontumi asem ade asem no kan here was it I made him politically meboa
yeah
me na me free haba opa o me ya no sesi a o be ya no ana o ma ne secretary say so aya assign o secretary and now send chances at troll letter no na nim say free Akoma nyo na assign come on what na was sign o me papa ne boni aye wo badwam anti na Alan kwofo aboa no wo moye din en cancer me na no sa wo na obekwa asem a kude enura na say owura JFK kasa wo your friend say untumi ready aso kan me no two ba akoso no na some say owura Alan wo bedi oboa no
okay
en kwofo na keka so MPP a paint this picture no a wo man ya gonna say they say Alan human relation no. And ko obi to say me ni na chi all these years.
I see.
E dia na me pa family two radio so say me mama owura ala ho a magiska me kono office na ye the envelope ma me kwasa me tofu a bisa na sapon I return the envelope secretary chief say asem hia me na me na be discuss ye na mom save me ba na mafu we me car no se me yi me se ase awia na me nya na mpa bia ade a wo ye na me gidi ntamidi na chi
Akoma FM 87.9
me say me say me ya MP me am sika na ye that is politics for you President Kufo type of politics sometimes you prefer type of politics and think as one ko na kwasa nkrofo nipa bi a life here different and you straight jacket obi out and at the crowd what they attract obi you know and what they attract some of us deɛ alansi asi fam na yɛkyerɛ mu bebrebe ni nyinaa deɛ ni nyinaa wobɛhu sɛ emu ɔya Obama say let the systems work sɛ owura JFK nsɛm ɔkan yɛ no na bɛto me nua bɛrima a wɔka sɛ metie no baabi me sɛ ɛyɛ repetition I have nothing against because you told the same line to correct a situation if we can and there's nothing wrong with it and to when mu nyinaa aba no mekyerɛ sɛ part no bibi wɔ mu a na ɛnyɛ a meka yɛ ɛnyɛ yɛ aka kyɛ obie wa no ɛsɛ wɔ sɛ part no okɔ ano to mu a wu owura ntim bɛka asɛm a menti a me nua bɛrima wɔnim sɛ me dɔ no paa me ne ne yɛ fine sɛ me aland deɛ wayɛ no me brɛ 21 years ɛyɛ ade a wɔsɛ MPP yɛde bɔ yɛ ho safo hena na ɛyɛ ade a wɔbrɛ yɛ ne sɛ part me deɛ wɔsɛ ɔbrɛ sɛbi is that the explanation I don't know though wɔsɛ ɔbrɛ obirehunu ana owura ntim na me support no na Nekufu Addo support CPP ni ane no parliament big time CPP ebedi a party so not at the regional level san konko no kra region Kwadaso the whole Ghana come on
incredibly
yes ya no entu to sabia one ne yefan was so study ni pan say ye nkase when ya wudi mu cha e was so nya the tenets of our party would drop party no esunsum e wo mu ana meboa enti ya yesa me di CPP beba me di obi ba met me amount certain ministerial appointment na wakoho na wo hwe ba party mu emu ntokuro ene niam de wo pe de wonim party mu odo party no party na se ene ya di abedie animu ye mo bi feel say ene ene time wa yewura baumia na Nekufu Addo choose no se won e bedi na chi no asem a make me akotu owura Kennedy Japan sata na me parliament no wo ho okobo pa nipa de oni ho ana ne nyame wo ho owura Kennedy Japan ekom senti MPP nipa nim MPP na ye ka se yesi ye ka ye nti ye beti anka no president Nkufu mu nyina be ka bi se nipa wom yes obefa party ahodo e de aka ho na the sensitive position Ghana constitution ya pre-dual citizenship and so position bi wo ho a so kra o mai bi so krata ya mpeni from mount just ya mpeni pa ana meboa baby wo ho a sensitive na Nekufu Addo fa CPP ni ba ko on fa system no bia on te ase e no fa I don't know Baumia ansana owura ohini to ema no o ma no waiver na wa ma no MPP card no ne mpanifo ne betimi a che no to abakọ hene we say ene we ni card en che so at this level come on obetchirem obetimi a chirem ba the meche ne say as at that time no the yenimu ni na Baumia papa ye NDC o maami ye NDC Samira owo university no enjoy time why your NDC kase NDC for G2 what you say enti Samira ye NDC o maami ye NDC o papa ye NDC onua be ma we NDC a wo gina homa adenta as they say we adenta MP a obetu MPP ni ya aboabia samoa no we NDC ticket o dia betu enti mami mi say na busuan wo dam no almost obi aye NDC ti sata no oto abakọ na Nekufu Addo ne beye no say me kan Kennedy ka say dabi ye wo party ma wo ho ye mpene ma wo mfa obi ma at once nye nipa ne ye ba ye ntimi fa no ma at once e me hye sabi etwotwo mutwo enti wo betumi aye awi Baumia minister bi ene wo ye adwuma ma oman wo ye na enye ya ebebo wachi what you say na nya party twotwomutwo ekosi yesa eni se ble ebo an ho baba sesa ye de ketia MPP a ebi ama constituency na eni se ye wura Baumia wo na wo se se wonim de wo enso eni ye ne ye me obi any argument ala si a wasi fom no enye ono ani nti no wasi fom eni e ma bia mebo so kakra bi e wo party no instead of the party say ye be sobali ye betimi ahwe ade akoso no ne excuse me etu one entake ala so ne de awom entake ala ne de awom ne de wo hunu yeti ye hu every sa alant company form a yeti MPP party ebi awu nyame fie kransie ebi ti ase obi a wawo ne ba wonimu ade ade se party no development in freedom and I mean freedom. When you say Nana Akufo-Addo, when your party no Wama Yedian says secret also. You can say anything, but you can't say anything instead you're making a boy. When you deport you say secret also a tea party. Nankro for no near a ruling woman in a signature. Do I any yet party? Allah knew the co more the tea party and the idea you share free party. But what tea party and just a party in your property? Let me stress that. Okay. And just a water party ninety. And I do over Rollins seminal. And just a do papa. No moment, who more share, send your mere cosono. A yanny swadi who I do yana. And I will be an amount to a to know a Brighton a MPP up for you now. That is the question. And Titama ala woman, and near my cause they say Mocaso, and Nipadu, Yakasi, and yes say, win dano a year dang. At the end of 1979, we were a board, you know, at the end of the sea. A one and Akufo-Addo bound me off and yen children, near shed I illustrated. I mean, told you, say me ram was one coming more Sunday. 1979 elections near you know. PF in the Akoma MP say. Shasiano, and Pennyfolk catch a rapper will you in Nana Akufo-Addo offer. So media ni muno so wande woko asofudi o me politics which was right or no Nigeria ya kwa ya campaign ko dum pempen so se bibi say no I party ne de Victor Owusu ko ye ne yura papa nya opepa senka afedie obeye we maka akra bi ye say akra bi na papa bi di na chi young man se no ni moti hoyi wadi na chi saa wasene pesa o kona bi mra bi o hu na o se awram se mani chi o hu mre chi mi hu na awra chinchim hu okọ o chinchim guy so cratch ni o brand sa na waka wa boni tie ni nam ho ba o yan ho cute said o nam hoyi waka asem ya girl mu e fa da ko nipa de da ko duru no se girl kura anyo no nko na oba ele hwim 87.9 oyi na ni se hwim afa girl hwe na chem so man de ko hwe na tiko so oh bra bra o try not to bra pa chon kada no asam na kan na kan na dia be say o ti ase
na no asam na dia be say
kan na be say abu akasin
wow
and to owura friends saying me kan na dia che history kakra. I'm not attacking anybody.
Yeah.
Any party the course or met aland the way na say owura pa wuli se sa na adwen said and o say party na ti ase
okay
and ye Victor Owusu say you can join. I was saying I can't go. 87.9. You kwaji to me near who say be no. This didn't go down well with Nana Akufo-Addo ne Owura Pawuli. No of a Pawuli say there be some mama nya flag bearer there.
After ye the kan dia ma wa say there be a later by say
yes.
Yes yes there be.
Enti ma agro na ye de keka mi wure kan tan me say all history ka kracha enti ye no so chinchin na ye so kwotino party no mo say ni pay photo akokire the whole Ghana na all of a sudden no ebe create confusion and now omokote party aye fe no UNC I mean ka party secret nti antokwa wo yo ho no eno and omokote UNC ebia no regina ebia no so ye mu bi ye nim saade no na woman na tonyum say God's way the best UNC all the way convention ye clean pa William Neko okay so we are what na kaya na PF4 huru say the politics mu ye there didi agore na almost so tonyum God's way the best UNC all the way Osu cemetery pa William Necro eya agro ne wo mu a na otoso na enfanto ene security and message ye huni ti 17 na o mo de kwa boss no pa William Necro PF Victor ene Liman obi an we ni run off bro na mo kan
yeah
e ba run off na penny for say please a house divider said you owura yi kan am why mo meka ho ne nyina fa tumi no ye mfa nkone nkogimra fie bi ye ka UNC for votes bom ne ye ka PF votes bom e don so che Liman
I see
so let's go on and Nana Akufo-Addo wa papa will thank you that will be a landslide as you add
they pick 15%.
Thank you.
Akoma FM 87.9
Thank you. ade we na mre ntwatro no kro da baby yenka agu obi anim ase na yes enti ye pesa records na da de da enti ye no ena na Akufo Addo ni no fa power so over their dead bodies ya mpene fa ade mebom si ade bebra wo de na ke se bekwa koma NDC fo ena wo de koma Aliman party adenchecha ya dia yesuro de ekoso no ye nyina no anama yetu anye ebida binti ase no eno no de okasa asem si ye no na me expect so nye inusa de na abeka inusa is just like MPB a wodi alertira watch
Akoma FM
enye that national picture into one year ye dey dey position so aye nzo omo di votes no openly ka ye se dey koma Owura Liman na ye di votes koma Owura Liman ye no na ma Owura Liman be ye president of Ghana enya sa anko ntimi me ye president of Ghana enti support obi atitima di party ewu a eye Nana Akufo Addo ni no wofa pawili if you say Owura Liman enye wo ma jeje mu wo ma anya anchekwa wo ma the council of state position Nana Akufo Addo na personal secretary enti obi nya ala ni tirimu ye de eno ya no asifa ni niama enye tirimu de akra no ye ne baby enti wo mu adin wo si ye wo so wo kan o kan adwene sade sitie ase o kra part na ye too much enti no ka se ajeje wo so ache enti wo party no mu no efri se na Owura Alan me born professor o time
yeah
Owura
you have
Alan
6 minutes to end
6 minutes
yes
all right Owura Alan see from Edema na Akufo Addo wo Legon munim de course o toso nipa du enson mema kuku dam mema mu mema MPP mu na kakra so aka anka omo de ho bom ebeye but du nson na omo bai na omo nya nkora du nson Alan ko de tira Martin na toso mi o se na 87.9 fama na ko if so nim se duamo wide na all things being equal enka pedi wuja akora enso akora bi san wo ye and the sabatomy sent to me party no hodo party amaka ho ame ate nipa brabre and sama ekoso wo hu sama afia ye adwuma enso nana jeko Nana Akufo Addo in his right frame of mind with all due respect eni ti ebe no mu na wo hwe gesture na obie na no a wo kasa no wo so mama single will be out
Akoma FM 87.9
gentleman na mama good chase for my money Mama me single out na me e kan Akoma you no need the true self no e kan say Alan you will follow me e ba de en o ka say you follow me a ye nka say adru so na o ka say slogan adru say your constitution mu no say adru oni aso na so quality no or personality or quality or ahobrase wa ye adwuma bra ma why not ye ntumi nkofo obi a sabe ebi a wa besimu we down rubber me a MPP aye bi ama me ka so wa besimu I mean it Owura Alan ko de kire Martin nya say adru so keke here's the quality wa bo Ghana MPP otuma na mo no de otidi aye mama na fe epupu obo na suo mo so nko de su kwache wo ka say wo de ade no be ma ala wo de som no o anya part na jeje mu so wo ka say part na mfa ho so wa che mu ni adwuma wa ya please it's another development M1 MPP
Akoma FM
87.9 osade ni sika e ka ho e ma ye tete party e nature party e bia woni obi nim sa ahyese no enyo nko ani sika na ma betra aklem sa de e Alan na chi party no akuo na woda no young executive forum wo mo yade ma ne ye fe e ma Alan na ye wo mo chairman edi animu ko pesi kakese sat ende kra wo to dan a e wo ba bia dan ne sia winim kokomre me eto ye party first party office ma MPP o mu die sika ebo aduba he boa president kofo aboa abesi sene a wa winim se enipa no wonim de se Nana Akufo Addo ba abonten ne so obeka oman ya adwuma wa ya omo ministries mienu edin wa abra one more trade ministry and I'm monko find it out from the records Alan wa bright in the corner where he was ye no na NDC ne ka say na wo mu na asafua for no asafua nyam for the entire America no wo mu a where cabinet minister wo sign oath of secrecy you don't talk too much and to otimu no why ho a check o see for man na Akufo Addo di na ni atumi be di ni nsa no and o share la so o miamia ne krofo o tutu krofo eye Alan anasa kufo free party no the whole thing started in parliament na me wo ho owura chairman sabeka asem say yen ni ayen kamom yen kase yen e wo parliament wo no enka me antu eso ababio me one of the people me bogu say no mo ha apart from me I take constituency me ba first no obi na bi obi akotunu no aba let's organize the party well me pesa mafia no access no me kwa ma mpene let's organize the party well na ye honya akono no omo entoma yen enti I'm prepared so me offer myself yes any mo ye kofo any ala nipa ye beji mu nyina mo fe ba bia mo de fa ye dwane from the main issue obi baby sa examples this wo wo mu ene wo hu it is logical e ye na nya hang parliament nya na akufo na tibika say mentimi ni we nya adwuma mempa we die mo fa ana mebo edadwa eda media obi anim hwede si fom na wo hene gina ho na akufo adugya akoa we asi ama ye ntimi ni nya adwuma edi enti na ntimi ni obi nya adwuma edi enti na ntimi ni obi nya adwuma eno me krata ne kura me nka da adwuma me kan kire
I see
time a MPP September before September owura John Boadu wo be ka wo me contest Kwadaso na mate nipa be 6 aka kire me self FFanto untumi Nana Akufo Addo Kingsley Nyako Kingsley me bo ndie Hausa obebi sansama yes wo se me ka ho na ya mo anyam say yes I don't mean Swiss me aso me ka me nimu amenka because omo ye meeting say no na obi ti ho say ya onim say wo mo nim say wo mo so ye nana no onim say onim ye family or personal relationship with some people and what the phone atum and I meet you
hey serious
no obi ni trofo adia aka beti asem just say when you are MP of parliament and I meet you me money din me nka ma bi kro
Akoma FM
et me tie na say boboba ema MP anu Kwadaso nu amakra na wate ebisa ase say something don't worry ye kokon ye koye na owura John Boadu ebebo mo agina Kwadaso MP ya clear so mo finally no sika ye tu enkora sika ye ma sika me din yes ye disqualify monko na mon google I wasn't disqualified only say me din disappeared me din ama enti onim say obi be comment no and also Kwadaso kra de enwie be saba that is the system I say ye unlawful MPP niema a woman ketenkete a
all because you were Alan
yes because of Alan we ya yemfa niwa na wo tenetene na wo ka enukura bi wo
7.9 Kumasi
all because of Alan ukọ Kwadaso constituency obi etie me bi anim de obeka Akyem Hilda de Alan tin ye tu no ya Alan de Alan wa ye den apupu obo na suo the boni a wa ye pam nim say so people am fancy and so we see from the man na Akufo Addo
oh really
that is all
the Alan's biggest crime
me say eni pan fon so eni pa ho oba ministry no obi adum so wadi ne ho ni wa ye adwuma
nto see from nanka mu nyina ma mpe
oh and then Canadian nana Canadian
yes
but the man no ma mpe minim so wini because I then nipa wo ho no mu be che
ti mo call run off anka Alan would have won
na owura mills and then na Akufo Addo e call run off na Akufo Addo na ne go so
yeah
ye call ye no owura mills wa medi animu so nobody could tell me nyina kasa anka Alan win no yes sad
yeah
ne eku happen ebetimi aba ana meboa na Akufo Addo yes over his dead body you can defend that ba me atwa me no chama bona ene bie na no ka kire me Kwadaso MP ayi chama na ode wo ho no wo ka kire me in public se kokoa mu anka me nka se na Akufo Addo say yanya adwuma ma asmesi please de ye ka nyina na atwa ye ene atene ya ene ye ka let am me come MPP ni
I see
so what are my charges metua me dues to 2035 yakọ ayi covid mu ahohiahia oba besia single-handedly mato emo sachet 600 Milo African Queen bibia machecha ma constituency no wo ma ye hyede ma ye wira hwa ye bo party ni din so on the ontiase na Akufo Addo akan ya hyede wo ma ye nya adwuma trying to soften the grounds for MPP nyo wo ma ye to abanko abrewa na wo ya ne mama obi me wie ye no ma betua me amount amusi yentua metua dues amusi yentua metua up to 35 ya call vetting ya clear me we and ya ballot to my father first position me let am dey come party until I'm said at the buy and the dietro pa me the be man
I will
you be we answer me dinama for stranger me fa my something for son and Akufo Addo say me dio me ye ala nipa to ma me ma parliament ma ten wona no ba asɛm ni adanse a ye kyerɛ ho ebi adanse ɛyɛ den na ba ye me de letter no me copy ayi neck ba bia ma copy o mu nyina regional office we bia a copy president Kofo me share that de ma ayi me said de menya records anya receipt say won saka
ebisi ne
menim ebia ala asifo no ka say Hilda na de no na ya throw letter say ye wira fie da
so unfortunate anyway.
What you say enya me nko asofa this way ala partner ye beto aba no okay omo ke kan nkrofo ayi na afirim ya na okwa kan say samo anya sa de am resign ya pan ne chow no resign ya babies with sharp teeth ni attorney against him so de bia no assign that please ye twa net mo sem nya mekwa mo
okay.
But we must win. He's going to win, maybe. I see.
Thank you. You have enough time. Mamma, 1 hour journey.